In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new estimate in CostMiner. If you're handling multiple projects or just starting with a new construction venture, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the process, ensuring you harness all the features CostMiner has to offer for your estimating needs. So let's dive right in. To get started, you'll first want to navigate to the CostMiner website. This platform, known for its construction estimating and takeoff software, is accessible online and provides a comprehensive suite of tools for managing construction projects efficiently. Once you're on the CostMiner homepage, look for the Login button and click on it. After logging in, you'll be transported to your dashboard, which hosts various functionalities you might need for your construction management tasks. Your next point of action is to locate and click the New button. This is where you'll initiate the creation of your new estimate. Now comes the exciting part where you get to personalize your project. Start by typing in the project name. This is important as it helps you easily identify and manage your projects within the system. Take a moment to ensure the name is clear and descriptive, reflecting the essence of the project you're undertaking. Following that, there's an optional, yet highly beneficial step where you can add descriptions to your project. Detailed descriptions might help you and your team understand the specifics of the project at a glance, allowing for better management and communication among stakeholders. Once you have your basics set up, you have the option to choose from preset templates. CostMiner offers a variety of templates, and for this demonstration, we'll select Single Story Template. These templates are optimized to fit common project types, saving you time and ensuring consistency across your estimates. If customer details are a part of your project setup, you can add them now by clicking on the Customer button. This step is crucial for projects that require regular client communication or where client billing information needs to be tracked. Similarly, clicking on Site Address allows you to input important geographic details related to your project. Having the correct address ensures that all your logistical planning is accurately mapped out. Next, you'll see the Estimate and Progress Claims section. While this step is optional, filling it out will give you substantial control and visibility over your project's financial aspects. This is also where you can click on Markup Percent if applicable. Inputting details here helps in understanding profitability and financial metrics related to your project. Finally, after ensuring all your details are correctly filled out, click on the Create button. This action will save your new estimate, making it ready for use in your construction management activities. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully created a new estimate in CostMiner, setting a solid foundation for your project's progress. Remember, using platforms like CostMiner can greatly enhance your organization and efficiency, enabling you to focus on the finer aspects of your construction projects. Thanks for watching.